Hi friends, this is Devansh. And if you're trying to install a game and you're getting this error like that, unarg.dll returned an error code, something like that, or isdone.dll file error, then in this video I'm going to tell you how you can fix this error. So let's begin. So firstly go to the run and in run window type sysdm.cpl and click on OK. Once you click on OK, system properties windows will get open. Inside that, you have to go to the advanced tab. Once you reach into the advanced tab, you will see the performance setting. Go to the performance settings and in performance setting, again go to the advanced tab. Here, you have to click on this virtual memory section and click on change to change the virtual memory section. So what happened here? This is automatically manage the paging for all size for all drives. You have to change it and you have to give the custom size. So the custom size is basically the minimum size and the maximum size of the file, and here give 400 MB initial size and 3000 MB maximum size. So most of the game require 2.5 GB and so here we are assigning 3 GB size. So hope your game will run properly without any error. So if you are getting the error while installing the file, installing the game, then change this settings and then again try to run your game and check error is coming or not. After the custom file changes are done, then you have to go and restart your system. So once your system get started again, then you have to go and run the window, and here this time type this command. So this command will open all the temporary file present in your system. You have to select all of this file, right click on it and delete it. So once you right click on it and delete it, this will remove all of your temporary file and this methods get completed. After that, again try to install the game and check that you are getting that isdone.dll error or not. Hopefully this time you will not receive this error. Now the next method is check the drive. So if you want to check the drive, then we have to go to the command prompt and run it as administrator. And we have to use some commands. So the command which need to be used is chkdsk/f and the drive name. Here the drive name should be the drive which contains the Windows detail. So here in my case I am giving the C drive because my C drive contains the window detail. But in your case, make sure the drive which have the window details should be here. Now, once you type this command, execute it. So once you execute this command, you will receive this message. And in this message, it will be written, would you like to schedule this volume to be checked the next time the system restart? So give Y. Y means yes. Check the drive when the system restarts again. Here you are giving Y as yes command to check it. Now once you give this command, just go and restart your system, and once the system restart, it will check the drive and remove the error in the drive if there is any error, and hopefully this will fix the issue in the file. The next method is you can do the file scan, system file scan. For that, go to the command prompt and run it as administrator and type this command sfc/scan now. So this command basically scan all the files present in the system and give you the error if is there any system file, any corrupt system file in the system or not. So here you can see that system verification will take some time, and in the downside you can see the verification bar will show how much it is completed. So now it's 3% completed and I'm moving it forward to the final phase. Now you can see like this, you will receive the final message. In my case, there is no integrity violation. If is there any issue in your system, you will receive an error message here in the downside. Now after that, just type exit and you will exit from the command prompt, and that's it. If you need, you can restart your system again and check that you are receiving the error or not. Now the next method is replace the DLL file with the newer one. For that, type isdone.dll file download in the Google Chrome and go to the first link, and in this link you will find the isdone.dll file. Just go and download that file. Also, you have to search another file which is unarg.dll. So type unarc.dll into the search option in the same link. Click on search DLL. You will receive this link. Go to this link and download the file. Once both the file get downloaded, what you have to do, you have to extract the files. So extract the file here on wherever you want, and you can see into the folder both the files like this. So now you have to go to System32, and in System32 folder, what you have to do, you have to first copy the files from these folders. Just copy it from here and paste it into the System32 folder. When you try to paste it, you will receive a message like this that you will not have the administrator permission. If you want to give the administrator permission to copy and paste this file here, so just give continue, give the administrator permission, and it will paste this file into the System32. Once both the files get copied into the System32, try to again run the folder, again run the game or install the game, and check you are receiving that error or not. Hopefully this time the error will be resolved. So this is the methods which can help you to fix the error. If any of this method help you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.